To my darling firstborn child, Jimwell Emmanuel Pacquiao Jr. And today I would stand here, staring me, and give a speech as the mother of the groom.
Ito pala yung moment na sobrang nakakaiyak sa kasalan ni Jimwell at Carolina. Ang pinaka-highlight ng event, mother and son moment. Bilang isang ina nga ay hindi makapaniwala si Jinky na may ikakasal na siyang anak at ito nga ay ang kanyang panganay na si Jimwell, ang kauna-unahang anak na kanyang minahal sa mundo. Panoorin at kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated.
To my darling firstborn child, Jimwell Emmanuel Pacquiao Jr. How can I begin to express the joy in my heart as I watch you enter this beautiful new chapter of your life and celebrate your wedding day? It is hard to believe that this day has finally come. And today I would stand here, staring me, and give a speech as the mother of the groom. Although I do remember very clearly a conversation we had during actually announced that you wanted to have 8 children. Sabi mo parang masaya. Right, Carolina? Yeah, he told you that. Well, I hope your lovely wife, Carolina, agrees.
Marami nga nakasaksi sa tagpong ito nang si Jimwell ay isinayaw ang kanyang mami Jinky sa entablado kung saan sabay nilang pinapanood ang mga moments nila noong si Jimwell ay bata pa hanggang sa ngayon na nagkaasawa na at nagkaroon na rin ng sariling anak at pamilya. Marami nga ang nagkukomento dito. Mula kay Sofia Cartuhano, tululuha ko sa inyong dalawa, madam. Panganay kong lalaki din, ganyan din. Siguro ako pag kinasal na rin sa panganay ko. Iba kasi talaga pagmamahal ng isang ina. Congratulations and best wishes. Marami ang pinaiyak sa tagpong ito, lalong-lalo na kitang-kita kung anong klaseng ina si Jinky sa kanyang mga anak. Ganon din si Jimwell sa kanyang magulang. Mula kay Marilu Celis, pati ako naiyak. Best wishes Jimwell and your wife, napaka-sweet ni Mom Jinky sa kanyang anak. Mula kay Marjorie Sanchez, napapanood lamang niya pero yung kumakain ako pero parang nakakaiyak yung kinakain ko, nakaka-touch naman po. Mula kay Josie Gamelo, naiiyak ako nang nag-asawa na ang anak ni Madam J. Parang ang bata pa niya to get married. Sana mabait na bata din iyong wife. Congratulations, Jimwell. May God protect your family. Madam J, napakaganda niyo po. Kahit anong anggulo, sana makita ko kayo. Naku po, pag nakita ko kayo, hay naku, sana wala akong hiya. Congratulations po sa inyo ni Manny Pacquiao. Mula kay Rhea Bacala, nakakaiyak naman po, parang naaalala ni Jinky Pacquiao ang mga pinagdaanan niya noon. Mahirap pa sila ni Manny. Habang si Manny lumalaban sa ring, si Jinky lumalaban sa pamilya. The strongest wife and mother, congratulations Jimwell. Mula naman kay Catherine, the mother-son dance as one of the biggest tearjerkers at a wedding. I feel you. Tears of joy. It symbolizes a mother celebrating the man her son has become, while officially welcoming a new chapter in his life. Mula naman kay Rosalind Washington, kahit ilang beses kong panoorin, naiiyak pa din ako. It's all perfect. Damang-dama from the heart kasi ang ganda din ng pagkakakanta. Mula naman kay Christina Arieta, that's a tears of joy for Jinky. She knows has fulfilled a great job as a mom. She has raised a son who is responsible to raise a family of his own. Jimwell and Carolina might not be as successful yet like his parent. Only time can tell. The support and teachings that their parents are showing will be their foundation to start a life that they wanted. to have for themselves and their children. Mula kay Regine Palada Paine, this is king of very heart-touching mom, Jinky Pacquiao. As a mother, pati ako pinayak nyo. Anyway, congratulations to you cause you have cute and pretty apo. Best wishes to your son and daughter-in-law. Mula kay Rebecca Balazon, Mother's Heart. Inalagaan ng maraming taon. Isang iglap lang kukunin ng iba. Bumawi ka, Madam Jinky. Kunin mo rin ang apo mo. Just kidding. Marami talaga ang naiiyak sa moment na ito dahil talagang feel nila ang pagmamahal ng bawat isa, lalo na si Jimwell Pacquiao na siya ang nakasaksi noong siya ay bata pa na sila ay mahirap pa lamang at talagang lumalaban sa buhay, lalo na pag lumalaban ng kanilang padre de pamilya na si Manny Pacquiao. I can cry if my children will get married someday because it's so lonely. I can't imagine someday. Mula naman yan sa isa pang tagahanga ni Miss Jinky. Pero si Miss Jinky talaga ay very brave woman. Yan, abansado. Best wishes to the newly married couple. Napaka-humble talaga po ng family niyo. Sobrang simple lang at nakakahanga. God continue your blessings. Nakaka-touch po. Mula naman kay Elenitz Nunez, nakakaiyak naman. Pictures lang nakita ni Jimwell pero sobra na siyang umiyak. Ramdam mo kung anong klaseng nanay si Madam Jinky. Dito rin makikita kung anong klaseng anak ito ang si Jimwell Pacquiao. Iba rin talaga yung pagmamahal niya sa kanyang mami Jinky. Anak ni Jimwell Pacquiao, lalo na sa kanyang asawa na si Caroline.
Also, if you haven't noticed,
Si
please
Caroline to
help
have
me
a
welcome.
family Pacquiao dahil tinanggap siya ng buong buo at lalo na si Jinky na mahal din si Caroline na bilang isang anak. A priceless moment for all mothers to be able to dance with their children on their wedding day. I also admired Mom Jinky for her love for her family. That's why she is so blessed in everything. Mula kay Janet De Guzman, hais tulo ang luha ko dito. Madam Jinky, I know Jimwell will be a good father and a husband because you and Manny, both of you, raised him well.